What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Father-Daughter Reacts. I'm James, my daughter Kayla Rain.
Hey, everyone.
You know what time it is. 31 reactions, 31 days for the month of October. And today we got Disturbed with the Animal. You ready?
I'm ready to see it.
Let's do it. Nice. What you think about that?
I thought that was actually really good. I
Yeah?
love the voice and I love the laugh, by the way. I just gotta point that out.
A
The
little laugh at
laugh
the
is
beginning?
amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I absolutely love the laugh. I love how they had fun during the song, like that one guy jumped at the beat.
Right.
You know, that was awesome. I really loved how they were kind of like interacting with the crowd while they were playing their music,
Right.
if that makes sense. That was really good. I really did love that. I love the voice. The voice is amazing. And I love, the song a lot. It just brings a lot of good emotion.
You know, they're the ones that had that cover song that come out and everybody was kind of blown away.
Yeah.
They're the ones that done The Sound of Silence.
Right.
You know, and everybody was just like, wow, this guy's got an amazing voice. You know, but yeah, Disturbed. I mean, it's one of those bands that came out, you know, late 90s, early 2000s, and it was in that classic, you know, what everybody used to listen to, Korn, Limp Bizkit, System of a Down, you know. There's a lot of great bands that came out during that time, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, but they're still around. They're still doing it, and that's really cool. You know what I mean?
That's crazy to see them.
You know, those guys are still out here. They're still rocking. I enjoyed it. You know, it was a good live show. They're like the typical rock band. You know what I mean? They're up there. They're doing their thing. They're running around the stage. They're doing the jumps with the, you know, with the beat. Oh, yeah, the guy's got an excellent voice. The guitar player, he's good. But yeah, those are songs that I used to listen to when you guys were babies in the car. I would be blasting out some Korn, some Disturbed. You guys would be rocking along with me. So that's probably the reason why you listen to a lot of Korn now. You know, because you remember it being played.
I do.
You know what I'm saying?
All those songs too.
You remember rocking out in the car with me. So, I don't know. That's really cool. But, yeah. We're in the middle of this thing. 10th song. 31 reactions. 31 days. Still need you guys' help. I think we're still at like 6 or 7 songs we need to get filled. So if you got any more that you want us to do, please shoot us your suggestions.
Go do
it. It can be anything. Whatever you want to let us.
It's like ending. Like slots are being filled, and if you aren't the one that has the slot being filled, that's sad.
Yeah.
No.
Shoot us your suggestions.
Try to do it as fast as you could.
But we appreciate you guys a lot. Trust me. I can't stress that enough. You guys sitting here with us, reacting with us, listen to what we got to say. We appreciate that. With that said, we'll see you next video.
See you next video.
Oh, we can't start without smoke.
Is it done yet?
It's still putting along.